Whenever you guys are feeling down, depressed, go outside.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Done with the hike. I'm not gonna lie, I had such a rough morning and I actually wasn't gonna get out of bed, but Carlos was really looking out for me. He was giving me that tough love. He was like, you better get your ass out of bed and go outside, because he knows I love to be out in nature, and it always makes me feel so much better, especially just being out in the sun. I was like, no, I'm not gonna get out of bed. Like, I was like being such a baby, y'all, for no reason. The hike was no joke, but it just felt so good to be outside and, you know, smell that fresh air. Because living in the city, like, the smell of exhaust and the smog just surrounding you, like, sometimes it can be a lot. So, oh my God. There's these people doing yoga in the park, but they got their legs all wide open. I'm gonna go home. Y'all already know I gotta check on those puppies, make sure they're okay, go feed them. This is my life currently. Just 3 dogs following me everywhere I go, crying for no reason. They ate, I played with them, I loved on them, just always taking. I finally settled down. They're chill.